I think technology has become the biggest driver. Automation is driving most of the way people work. A few years back, if I look back, my days at American Express, we did not have cell phones, and when I used to run a 24/7 center then, and the moment I used to step out of my house because I would get calls, I would tell my office that this is the number I'm going to, and in 10 minutes I would be there. And then came cell phones, and then those days we had cell phones which were as thick and huge like a brick, and it was almost something which one had not heard of. You left home and there was no way anybody could reach you till the time you reached back home. And technology changed it differently. Now I do not see even my maidservant or driver or anyone for that matter, even a rickshaw puller on the road. I think technology is driving us all, and it's connecting the world. So effectively, the Internet of Things, now that's changed the world dramatically. So if you look at today, there's so much of information and wealth of plethora available to everyone. But so it's not knowledge, it's not information that decides, it's how you use it. And I think technology is going to define that, the overall modeling, the analytics, the overall structure in terms of just collection of data and interpreting that. That gives a lot of more insight. So technology allows you to take a far more informed decision, and effectively information is power. So as long as everyone is able to leverage technology to their advantage, I think we will be able to do things faster, better and cheaper. And that's what I think technology is going to change the world the way we do.